Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tech innovations. Today, we're diving into the world of wearable tech with a comprehensive look at the circular Smart Ring Slim. Let's see if this sleek little device lives up to its promises. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Now, let's get started. Alright, folks, let's talk about the circular Smart Ring Slim. This little beauty promises to revolutionize the way we monitor our health and fitness, all from the comfort of your finger. But does it deliver on its claims? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about design and comfort. The circular Smart Ring Slim boasts being the slimmest smart ring out there, measuring in at just 2.2 millimeters thick. Now, that's impressive on paper, but how does it feel on the finger? Well, I've been testing it out for a while now, and I have to say, it's definitely lightweight and comfortable to wear. However, the material choice of aluminum and carbon fiber does make it prone to scratches, which is a bit of a downside. Plus, the design isn't as elegant as some other smart rings on the market. Overall, it's decent but not exceptional. Moving on to fitness and health tracking, the circular Smart Ring Slim offers a range of features, including 24/7 heart rate tracking, blood oxygen level monitoring, temperature tracking, and step counting. It also comes with the Kira Plus Smart Assistant, which provides daily recommendations based on your data. Now, during my testing, I found that the ring provided decent tracking data, but it fell short in some areas, particularly in exercise tracking. It lacks the ability to track specific exercises, which is a bit disappointing. However, the Kira Plus Assistant does offer some useful insights for beginners. Overall, it's a mixed bag in terms of fitness and health tracking. Now, let's talk about the companion app. The circular Smart Ring Slim pairs with a dedicated app available for both Android and iOS devices. The app is free to use and offers a range of features, including syncing data with Apple Health and Google Fit. However, I did encounter some bugs and glitches during my testing, which detracted from the overall experience. Plus, the app interface feels a bit cluttered and could use some refinement. It's functional but not the most user-friendly. Last but not least, let's discuss battery life. The circular Smart Ring Slim promises up to 5 days of battery life, but in my experience, it fell a bit short of that mark. I typically got around 2 days of battery life, which is decent but not outstanding. Charging the ring is relatively quick, taking just under an hour from 0% to full. However, the charging setup could be more convenient, especially for certain scenarios. Overall, the battery life is adequate but could be better. Well, it's certainly a capable smart ring that offers decent tracking features and a comfortable design. However, it's not without its flaws, including scratches on the ring, a cluttered app interface, and average battery life. While it's a good option for those looking for a budget-friendly smart ring without a subscription, it falls short of being the best in its class. And that's it for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting us know your thoughts. And as always, stay tuned to Product Critique for more honest reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching.